Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete routes in Strava. So Strava app, you can get it from a store, Play Store or App Store. It depends on which device or which phone that you have, either iOS or Android, and you can get this app from some other stores that your device supports. So follow me and let's go into Strava. Alright, so once you tap on Strava right here, as you can see, we are on the home page. Right here, we can follow and remove the suggested profiles. And also right here, as you can see, we can like the posts, even comments, or we can just go into these three dots, and right here we can follow or hide the activity. So this is some additional notes for you. I just want you to go into the you right here and the bottom right corner, tap on it, and once you are here, I want you to head over into your profile right here on the top corner, actually, and the top beside the explore icon, that one. And right here, I just want you to scroll down until you can see routes right here, tap on it. And yeah, I don't have any routes or saved routes right here. So for you, if you have any routes that you want to delete, you will find it right here, or you can just search the route that you want to delete just on the search bar or by using this search bar right here. Alright, so once you find the route that you want to delete, you can just go into an X an X symbol right here. You can just tap on it and it will be deleted, or even you can find three dots right here, so you just need to tap on them and then choose the remove or delete the route. Anyways, that's it. It's so simple. Thank you for watching and goodbye.